Mullet, no mullet. Mullet, no mullet. What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have something new and exciting to share with you. I recently had a little bit of an issue because I've been coloring my hair with the mullet shape that it was taking, because as we all do, we had some breakage in the front. I wanted to get this nice, sleek, even looking bang. So I did some research, found some clip-in extensions, and came up with this right here. So if you are interested in seeing how to get this look with extensions, then just keep watching. Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is clip up this hair. Now, all about hair. This is a set of already done, looking a little snaggly raggly, clip-in extensions. I believe it's a 7-piece set. The difficult thing for me wasn't finding them, it was finding a color that matched that I didn't necessarily have to go get colored on top of that. So another great thing about these sets is you can use one or all of the pieces that come in it. I like to use these shorter pieces obviously for the front, which are the bangs, and then the other ones for the back. I usually just do one, maybe two on the sides and let it go. Now, as far as where I'm going to part it and put it, I don't do anything crazy. The goal I'm trying to achieve here is to get rid of the mullet look and just add some length here and here so that it's more even. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the pieces, I'm going to give it a little brush to make sure everything's the way that it needs to be. And I'm going to hold it up because I don't want to add length. I just want to add the correct bang in the front. So I want to make sure where I'm placing it. If I put it up here, then we're going to get that look. But if I make sure I put it in the right place, I can hold it up and see it needs to go in this area, so that it's still the same length and blends in with my natural hair, but it's giving me the length that I want in the front bang area. Does that make sense? I'm asking you as if you could answer me. You get what I'm saying. So since it's right there, I'm going to then part right there. And I'm just going to flip it up. Then I'm going to take my piece, no hairspray, no teasing. And again, we're gonna line it up, get it as close to the front as possible. So I like where it's at. I'm gonna clip it there and clip it there. And look there, we have a bang coming. So now we have one more piece left, and then it's this nice little baby strip. And we're gonna put him even closer. And again, we're gonna take the clip down. We're gonna put the hair down, and we're going to look and see where it is that we need to place it first, according to the length. Because some of these, once you put them in, they're a little shorter than others. So it needs to be right about there. And again, just separate that space with my finger. Take the hair, pull it over, and clip it back. Then I'm going to place the hair again, checking before I clip it down. So it looks like the front needs to go here, and the back needs to go a little bit at an angle. Do you see there how it's not, I'm not just slapping it perfectly straight. I'm going according to my hair right now. Okay, and I'm happy with that. I'm gonna take the clip down, put the hair down over top of it. What is going on here, sir, ma'am? And so now, as you can see, the difference just from this side to this side, that's the before and after. And that's only 2 little pieces from this 7-piece set. How freaking amazing is that? Look at the drastic difference that just made. It gave it volume, it gave it some texture, it gave it a little bit of a highlight, it gave me that streamlined bang that I wanted. I am just Ooh, so excited. And then at the end we will spray, because if we do not spray and a little happens, then you know, whoop, out it comes, and that's embarrassing. But for now, we'll leave it. So do you see? Mullet, no mullet. Mullet, no mullet. Okay, so now the other side, because this is the side that my bang is on, we're obviously going to be doing it a little differently. That's why I say part your hair, leave it the way it's gonna be the rest of the night, and then put them in. Okay, so we're where we want. We're going to get our bigger piece. This is our 2 clip front piece. Show you this is what it looks like. See how it's got that little gradient highlight in it? And we are going to give it like a rough part. So we'll hold it up. Wouldn't you look at that? And I'm going to clip this back. All right, so now I have my hair clipped back. I'm gonna go back in before I clip this down. And I'm just going to make sure it's correct. See here, this hair needs to get out of the way too. This is why we double check. And now we need to see how far forward we need to come. Right about there. So I'm going to clip him down, clip her down, double check again. We're happy. We've got a wisp in the front, that's fine, we'll leave it. Now we're gonna take the hair down. We're going to assess. Are we happy with this? Is this giving us the goal of what we want? Yes, but we still need one more because as you can see, it's not really blended right here in this section. Okay, so now we have our last little front piece. We're going to brush through it, make sure all the knots are out, and we are going to find where it needs to go. Clipping it back, and then remember the one in the back's gonna need to go a little bit lower. And then the front is gonna need to go a little bit higher. So now we're gonna take our hair down, gently give it a tussle, reassess where we are. Are we happy with this? Do we like this? Is this looking good? Is this giving us what we want? I'm very happy with the way that this looks. Now, the most important step here, for me at this point, it's to spray it down so that it doesn't move. With this amazing Chi Helmet Head Hairspray, I talked about this in my Marshall's video. If you haven't gone and gotten it, you need to run to your local Marshall's, not walk, run and get it because it's amazing. So we're happy with where it's at. We're gonna give it a good spray down. All right, you guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take some time, research, find somewhere you can get a clip-in extension set. Use those front pieces, do this, and you will be glad that you did. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and find me on my social media. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.